Hey y'all, Angie here. Today I'm going to tell you about this 60-inch ceiling fan that I received in exchange for an honest review. Here's your spoiler alert. This is an amazing fan, you guys. Straight out of the box, everything is easily identified, and you've got two choices for a length of a down rod. You've got a 3.9 inch and a 7.9 inch. Everything you need for assembly is here, and you do have some spare parts as well. So everything is spelled out in the book for you. Assembly is pretty straightforward. You decide on your assembly rod size, and then you just assemble just as the instructions say in the book. One tip is to go ahead and lay everything out so that you can see exactly what you've got and where it goes. Next is a fan blade assembly, and then we will attach the assembly to the actual fan. And then we'll mount the blades to the actual assembly, and this part's pretty straightforward. Attached and ready to mount. Mounting the bracket's a pretty straight process. And then we move on to the light, and we get those screws installed. And this part, you want to make sure that you get the light cover twisted on solidly. Took a couple of us to get this lifted into the bracket, but then you just make your electrical connections and install your remote control receiver. It gets a little tight up here, but it's not bad. Next, we'll install the remote receiver up into the bracket and lift the shield up to cover it. And last, lift and twist this small circle up to hold the cover in place. Now y'all, we are not professional fan installers, and we still did okay with this installation. And just look at this beautiful gray fan. It operates completely by remote control, and it has 5 speed settings. The 8 blades on this fan do a fantastic job of moving air in this room. When you get this thing cranked up on high, it definitely does a great job of cooling down an area. An added bonus, it's also reversible, so in the wintertime, you can get that heat off of the ceiling down into the bedroom. Now let's take a quick peek at the remote control. Down here on the bottom, you've got your 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour, and 8 hour time settings, and you've also got your forward and reverse buttons. You got your on-off buttons and your speed settings as well. No beeps on this remote either. You've also got a wall mount here if you'd like to use that. Y'all, this fan is so quiet. No humming, no buzzing, no dangling chains. It's a beautiful fan, and I definitely like it.